The fashion is $1 billion industry. It makes millions workplaces. There are increasing number of people waiting and fighting to be part of this fast-paced, excited industry. Modern Westerners have a wide number of choices available in selections of their clothes. A person's choice of clothes can reflect the person's personality or interest. A fashion trend started when the people who have cultural status started to wear new or different clothes. Asian fashion also has become increasingly significant in local and global market. Countries such as China, Japan, India and Pakistan have traditionally had large textile industries, and Western designers have often driven them up. Now Asian clothes style are gaining influence based on their own ideas. The four major current fashion capitals are acknowledged to be Paris, Milan, New York City and London, which are all headquarters of the global fashion campaigns and are renowned for their major influence on the global fashion. A succession of major designers such as Coco Chanel, Yves Saint Laurent have kept Paris in the center of much watched by the rest of the world. Also, high couture is now stabilized by the sales and ready-to-wear collection and presume using the same branding. Fashion Week are held in the city where designers exhibit their new collection to public. Fashion Week Kyrgyzstan was launched in Bishkek in 2006. Today is the most important and well-known project in the country. The goal of the Fashion Week Kyrgyzstan is to support and develop creative potential and professional level of young designers. Competition program is a core of Fashion Week Kyrgyzstan. Each session, every year, more than 60 fashion designers are taking part in fashion competition shown in Bishkek, the capital of Kyrgyzstan.
When the Soviet Union collapsed, there were hard times, especially from 19th to end of 20s, but we always believed in our fashion. According to the statistics, the money flow in fashion industry has grown up enormously for the last couple of years. However, there should be more educational programs to make people acknowledge about Kyrgyz fashion.
After USSR has collapsed, all countries that had been part of it experienced hard times. Kyrgyz Republic was not an exception. Unstable political situation, suffering economy, unemployment. Fashion at that time was one of the last things that bothered anyone. Today Kyrgyzstan attracts Western investors. We get money from Switzerland to support Kyrgyz fashion industry that flourished for the last 4 years. We believe in our young designers that they have power and will to develop Kyrgyz fashion industry and to stay in the country to make our people dressed up.
Большим спросом на зарубежных рынках.